Hey guys, Matt here. I had lunch with an investor the other day, and this guy's working a full-time job right now. He flipped 4 houses in 1 year working a full-time job. And I asked him, I was like, well, this is a lot of work that you're doing here. So what are you gearing up for? Like, well, I want to do 8 houses next year, and then I'm maybe looking forward to quitting my job in 3 years. I was like, you flipped 4 houses in 1 year while working a full-time job. You're definitely resourceful and driven enough to do it on your own. The best thing I ever did was quitting my full-time job and putting 100% of my focus on my why and my business. Key to not being lonely is to surround yourself with people that are supportive of you and also that are doing the same things that you are doing. Guarantee you there's somebody else out there in your community that's doing exactly what you're doing. They're not a competitor, they're actually your greatest ally. Hope this has helped you as it's helped me. Catch you next time.